expect with summer.
Yo guys, what is going on? How is it going? Today we have something really exciting for the BRZ. Based off the title, you guys can probably already tell what we're going to be doing to the BRZ today. Now, if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know that I've been through a few exhausts. I was completely straight piped at one point. Then I went to a Grady catback, which I wasn't happy with because it was way too quiet. Then I went to straight piped again, and then I went to my Tomei. Now, the Tomei was my absolute favorite exhaust I've ever had, and I loved it so much, I even named my dog Tomei. Now, I've pretty much always had catless unequal impeders, a stock overpipe, and then a catless Perrin front pipe. By the way, if you guys didn't see the last video, you guys are probably wondering what the hell happened to the BRZ. I told you guys that the BRZ is currently under reconstruction. We're basically giving the BRZ a whole makeover. But like I was saying, we've pretty much always been catless. I don't know about you guys, but exhausts for me are a pretty big deal. The way my car sounds adds so much to the driving experience. It's literally insane. So I always have to have a loud exhaust and a good sounding exhaust. My Tomei was both of those things. It was loud, it sounded good. Roll the clip. The Tomei was loud, but it might have been too loud. I caught myself not driving the car as much, especially early in the morning or late at night, because it was just so loud, for daily driving at least. So we are gonna be quieting it down. It hurts to say, but I'm kind of relieved because the drone in this car is absolutely insane. But with this new exhaust, I'm hoping to get that sweet Subi rumble that we all know and love. The car is jacked up in the air. The Tomei is officially gone. I got rid of it last night. I traded the Tomei with someone, and if you guys want to keep up with the Tomei, I'll leave his Instagram right on the screen. But he now is the owner of the Tomei, and I am the owner of an MXP Comp RS with titanium tips. Super clean. From my knowledge, it's only been used for about 2,000 miles. But today, I'm not going to be installing this exhaust. I'm only going to be assisting in the exhaust install. Sam said that she wants to install the exhaust, so I'm going to let her try to install the exhaust. I feel like I'm gonna have to do more than just assist installing. Compared to the Tomei, this thing is heavy. Now, the Tomei was titanium. This, I'm pretty sure it's stainless steel or something, so it's way heavier. All right, your turn. You grab it, go ahead. You know what to do.
No, I don't.
You know, you gotta,
I have no clue what to do.
You know what to do. You saw me put the Tomei in, come on. What you do is connect, yeah, this first, this connects to the front pipe. You know where the front pipe is. You helped install that. Just gotta shimmy my way under. Let me sit you guys down a little bit. All right, there you go. It's pretty much perfectly lined up. The exhaust is kind of in place now. Side note, these things look absolutely sick. Go ahead, tighten the 14s down. I'm gonna go underneath, tighten down the 13s. Oh, I can't touch you. I have WD-40 on my hands. I can't touch. I don't know why, but Tomei just loves microfiber towels, and she's so hyper. We gotta name you MXP now.
Ew, no.
Honestly, I'll probably change these tips out. I'm not the biggest fan of the tips.
I hate them. They're ugly. They look so fake. Like, it looks like something you could buy at AutoZone. Ready?
I'm ready. I've been ready. Let's go. So it's the next day now. I know you guys want to hear the car. I'm excited to show you guys what the car sounds like, but we can't do that just yet. Yesterday when we started the car, I realized there is a major exhaust leak. But right now, we have to head to the Subaru dealership to pick up a new donut gasket. This right here is what we needed. I know it's kind of hard to see, but this right here is the issue. Now, we were supposed to put a donut gasket in between here, which of course was my fault because I didn't put a donut gasket in there. The Tomei didn't need a donut gasket. I think I might have thrown my old donut gasket away. I just need to quickly take apart this, take the regular gasket out, slide the donut gasket in, and then we should be good. I'm pretty sure that should be good enough. Hopefully we don't have an exhaust leak. Hopefully everything's good. Let's start it up and check it out. Not a cold start, but it should give you guys a good idea of what it sounds like. super excited. It sounds like it's gone. It sounded like there was a deep raspy sound coming right from the middle of the car, and that's kind of gone now. So I think the exhaust leak problem is solved. One thing I could say about this exhaust is that the drone is very minimal. Now it does have drone, but much less drone than the Tomei did. And I don't want you guys taking this the wrong way. I absolutely love my Tomei. I would take it back, but I like changing up the sound of the car. I had the Tomei for a year. To be honest, I probably won't have this for a year. If you guys are thinking about getting it, definitely get it. I absolutely loved it. It was just time for a new exhaust.